With AI, it's almost, we approach it 3 different ways. So one is organizing information, which is what we were talking about, and that's incredible because there is all this information out there. We just don't have enough time to process it, understand it. So organizing information is great, and then efficiencies. So pillar number 2 is efficiencies, and I think almost all of us use Otter, which is basically to transcribe. And the time it used to take me to transcribe an interview, now it's ridiculous. Like, days of my life have been wasted transcribing. Now it's done in 2 minutes max. If it's a really long interview, and usually it's 30 seconds. So there's the efficiencies, and we're thinking about that. And unfortunately, usually companies think about efficiency means let people go, but actually it's efficiency. How do you free up more of their time, not doing the mundane tasks we all have to do to organize information? But then the third element, which is verification. People can say, I want to put out an article that sounds like Ben Smith wrote it, and we've seen it, and people have experimented with it, and we take your style, and again, the tool can read everything you've ever written and watch interviews you've done and then reproduce something that sounds like you, but actually isn't you, right? So we see the value of news gathering and going out there and getting the story. And that's what we want to have our journalists do. And I think creating that balance and increasingly this element of trust and seeing the value of strong journalism, and they still trust journalists, even though there's complaints about how the media behaves and so forth, they still trust a human to be out there, to be actually getting. So we're trying to see that as the kind of silver lining, that there's still a role for us and it won't be taken over by machines.